Either way, we're just the Devils. That's who we are.
This is the Dogtown Devils pick. Praise the Lord trophy.
The club gives me a place to like come back to guys I grew up with, guys that are from my same neighborhood.
Grew up out here in Venice, went to Venice High School. Yeah, grew up surfing the Venice Pier.
We're happy to have you in this club and very proud of you.
Car show in the history of the Venice boardwalk and the pavilion.
And yeah, man, we're just doing it right here in Santa Monica. Half of us born and raised right here, Dogtown.
The thing that brings us together is the culture of the cars, Dogtown itself.
Yeah, gentrification sucks, but we're still out here representing old school status.
Yeah, we got a lot of car clubs here, everybody from the neighborhood, so get down here. Where you at?
Yoo-hoo! I'll make you famous.